There is several ways to use the flashlight on your Garmin Enduro, Phoenix or Tactics. The first one will be to double press the light button to make it come on and double press it to make it come off. The other way will be to press and hold the light button and navigate up to the flashlight, from where you can set it on, and from here you can adjust with the up and down button the brightness, and if you go at the very bottom you're gonna have a red light or a green light if you have the Tactics. From here you can also press and hold the menu button to access this one. So if you go on the strobe, you can have, if you turn it on, a blinking light. You can also have custom. We will come back to this later. You got the blitz, you got the beacon, you got the pulse, and if we come back to custom, when you select that one and edit it, you can select between all of the feature that we've just seen. So if I take that one, you see the beacon, the blitz, and all of those one, and you can change the speed, and you can also change the color, so you customize it as you wish. And finally, if we come back on that page, you can press and hold that button and go to the distress pattern. I'm just gonna hide the lower information, but basically this make an SOS. You got your name just right here, and under it, it's the contact to call for emergency. So you got an SOS on your wrist. Then there is something else. If we go into an activity, so let's say for example we go on biking, if you reach the settings, so press and hold menu, go into bike settings, and it's almost at the very bottom, you will find flashlight strobe. So if I set that one to, you can set it to on, off, or after sunset, which seems logic. And you can choose between blitz, beacon, pulse, and blink. And if you are running, you can also have one that try to follow your step. So let's set it to blitz. You can choose the speed. I want to set it to fast. And the color white, that's all right. So if I come back here, when the activity will start, I will automatically have that blinking light after sunset. If you double press it, it will turn on the light, and if you redouble press it, it will come back to that blinking light. If you want to set it off, you will need to return to your bike settings and find back the flashlight and set it off. So this is how you can use your flashlight on your Garmin watches.